Hi, Alan Schimmel, DevOps.com here from IBM's Interconnect. Here with Mark Howell of Lloyd's Banking Group. And Mark was one of the keynoters on the DevOps keynote. And Mark, thank you for joining us. At his keynote session, Mark talked a little bit about Lloyd's Banking Group's transformation uh, into a DevOps environment, a DevOps shop, if you will. Mark, thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Alan.
So, Mark, first of all, why don't we start off with I know some people think Lloyd's, they think Lloyd's of London Insurance, but that's not Lloyd's
No.
Banking.
Lloyds Banking Group is one of the UK's leading retail banks. We have some of the major high street brands in the UK, so Lloyds Bank, Halifax, Bank of Scotland being our primary brands. We have a banking relationship with about 30 million people in the UK. That's roughly 1 in 2 individuals have some sort of banking relationship with us. So what's important to us is our customer satisfaction, our customer service, and what we are doing on our DevOps journey is trying to make that experience better for our development community so we can get business change in front of the customers quicker.
Understood. What drove? So that's what drove it was getting
Yeah.
in front of
Yeah,
customers quicker.
I mean, we all want to go faster, cheaper. What we've got to be cognizant of as well is obviously, how quickly we want to go and the risk appetite for retail banks, because we were talking with Ben earlier on about insurance, and we have to be cognizant of the risk in letting developers loose in production.
Yes.
We are a big brand. We have a lot of value in the UK, and we just got to be cognizant of DevOps works for us, but there's taking from DevOps what we really need.
Right.
It's a lot of things to a lot of people.
Yes, it is. How long has this DevOps transformation been undergone at your
Yeah,
Lloyd's?
so I've been enrolled for nearly 3 years, and I was charged with sort of bringing DevOps to our internet banking arm. So that's primarily where I work. So internet and mobile banking applications is what we do. So we looked at our end-to-end process. We looked at the way we wrote software. We looked at the technology we were using, and looked for opportunities where we can bring a DevOps approach to the way in which we build, test, and put our applications on the testing systems, and looked at the culture associated with that as well, because in an end-to-end process, we are very handoff rich, lots of different teams. There was a lot to go for.
Sure,
You know,
certainly is.
and bringing those teams on that journey with us as well is really, really important.
So, Mark, if I can, the great thing we've heard from some of the other folks here. There's a great lineup of tools from IBM and people who integrate with the IBM tools. But culture is such an important part of the equation with DevOps. How did you help or lead transforming the culture at Lloyd's?
Well, I think you've got to show people what good looks like.
Mm-hmm.
The development community can become ingrained in the way they do things day in, day out. And I think it's giving them the opportunity to see what good looks like, as I said, because offering them the services, offering them the approach to the answer is not no. So you want to be able to give them the tools they need to do their job. They want to give them early feedback on what they're writing so that we can shift left on a lot of the testing approaches so that developers know quickly whether what they're writing is good or not.
Got it. And from higher ups at the bank, from the executive management, has DevOps moved the needle for them? Have they?
Certainly. So we're seeing some real successes with what we've done in the DevOps space. We've had great sponsorship from our executives from day one, because you've got to ask for some funding to do something, right? You've got to start that movement.
Sure.
So we're seeing great improvement in our time to market. We're seeing build times come down. We're seeing release times come down. We're seeing propositions in front of customers quicker than ever.
Mark, I should have asked, are you based in London yourself?
That's right. Yeah.
Great. Well, again, I am always amazed when I see so many insurance companies and financial institutions, local governments, 100-year-old companies, leading the charge on DevOps. And
well, it's not for the Netflixes and Amazons anymore, right?
it's
mainstream.
Not. Yeah.
But I reiterate, take from it what you need.
Right. It's not. You don't have to do everything all the time.
No.
Certainly.
But there's great value in just the bits that you do that just make your development cycle quicker.
Absolutely. Well, Mark, we're going to call it a wrap.
Great.
I wanted to thank you for
Thanks
first
for
of all appearing at Interconnect and appearing on our video series, and continued success. We'd like to check in later with your transformation.
Thanks, Alan. Thanks,
Mark Howell, Lloyd's Banking Group. This is Alan Schimmel for DevOps.com.